dish is Burke. It snows 9 months out of the year and hails the other 3. Any food that grows here is tough and tasteless. The people that grow here are even more so. The only upsides are the pets. While other places have ponies or parrots, we have dragons. Thanks for stopping by and for the breast hat. Dad never listens, and when he does, it's always with this disappointed scowl, like someone skimped on the meat in his sandwich. Excuse me, barmaid, I'm afraid you brought me the wrong offspring. I ordered an extra large boy with beefy arms, extra guts, and glory on the side. This is a talking fish bone. It's not like the last few times, Dad. I mean, I really actually hit it. You guys were busy, and I had a very clear shot. It went down just off Raven Point. Now let's get a search party out there before it... I don't want to go to James Franco's house.